Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we are going to learn the basic Autodesk Inventor command for the beginners. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the exit plane. So this will be the top plane. From here you can see the top view, rotate. Now go to rectangle command and select 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle. Go to dimension. This width here will be of 100 mm and the height of 65 mm. Okay, zoom in. Now finish sketch and here go to extrude command and take a extrude of 14 mm. Okay, or you can take it 12 mm and press OK. Now go to fillet command. Take a fillet radius here of 25 mm. Go to edge selection. Select this edge and select this edge. Press OK. So only in the front edges we will apply the fillet. Go to part 1. You can see the fillet is being applied in front only. Okay. Now we are going to construct the back side and this whole profile. First we will construct this whole profile. To complete all the features of this face, go to part 2. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Take the circle command. Drag the cursor on this. So it will show you the center point. Make a circle of diameter 12. Same we will do here. From the center point, make a die of 12. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select both the profiles. Here take cut. So it will be a through cut. From here you can take all and press OK. Rotate the profile. Here you can see this is a through cut. Go back to the home. Now here go to part 1. Now we are going to construct this back profile or this wall. Go to part 2. Rotate the view. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make a circle here of diameter 50. Okay. Now go to line command. Make a joining profile here. Drag till this point and drag here. Okay. Escape. Now go to vertical constraint. Select this point and select the center point. So this will be vertically aligned with respect to center point. Okay. Now go to dimension. Define this height here of 90 mm. Now go to tangent constraint. Select this circle, select this line. So we'll select this circle and select this line. Okay. Escape. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction, and here we are going to take extrude of 10 mm. Okay. In this profile we are only selecting the profile outside the circle. Go to back view. You can see here we have only selected this profile, not the circular profile. Press OK. So this will look like this. Now go to extrude 3, select sketch 3 and turn on the visibility. Okay. Now rotate. Now select the extrude, select the circular profile, flip the direction, and this time take dimension of 45 mm. This will be a joining profile. Press OK. Now we are done with the sketch 3. So select sketch 3, turn off the visibility. Rotate the profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make a whole profile over here. So go to circle and at center point of this, make a circle of diameter 25. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this, flip the direction to cut. So this will also be a through cut. Here you can see, as we have previously taken 45 mm as extrude length. So we have taken 45 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to part 1. Here we have completed till this phase. Now we are left with this profile and this rib profile. Now here we will construct this profile now. Go to part 2. Now here go to origin and select the top plane, or go to plane, go to offset from plane and select this face. Here we will take offset of 126 mm and press OK. So a new plane will be constructed at offset of 126 from this face. Select this plane, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Make a rectangle profile over here. Okay, go to dimension. Define the width here as 27 and the height as 32. And the dimension from backside will be 6 mm. Now here take the vertical constraint, select the center point and select this point. So this is fully constrained. Now go to 3D model, take extrude. We have selected this profile. Now here we will select 2 next. So it will be a extrude till this face, the outer face. Press OK. Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay. Now here go to part 1. Here you can see a cut profile has been created and this whole profile. Go to part 2. Select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to rectangle command once again. Take 2-point center rectangle, select this edge and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. The width here will be of 3 mm and the height of 60 mm. Okay. Now select this top and select this center point. This will be 30. Now go to vertical constraint. Select the center point over here, the yellow point, and the center point of this rectangle. So this is fully constrained. You can see here fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, take here cut. The depth of cut will be 45 and press OK. Rotate the view. So this will be a through cut at this face as well. Okay. Now here go to part 1. We are left with only this rib profile. So go to part 2. Now here we will select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Now here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now go to sketch again, take the line command, we'll start from this end. Okay. And here select this point. We'll take profile slightly inside to make proper joining profile. Okay. Join here and join here. Now go to dimension and here we will define. Okay. First go to project geometry and project this bottom profile. Go to dimension, define the distance between as 5 mm and escape. Select this profile, make it construction. Now go to finish sketch. So this will be the final profile. Go to extrude, go to view, visual style, okay, and change back to shaded with edges. Okay, zoom out. Now from here we will define the dimension as 10 mm and take this symmetric. Okay, so this will be at center. So 5 mm this side and 5 mm that side, and press OK. Now you can see this is a joining profile. Okay, as this is circular profile, otherwise a gap would have been left here. Okay, now here we are left with the whole profile over here. Go to part 1, you can see a whole profile. So go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take this circle command and make a circle here of diameter 12 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this point. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point here and select this point. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select the circle, flip the direction, and from here we will take all and press OK. So this will be a through cut over here. Okay. Now go to 3D model. We are going to give the finishing commands now. Go to chamfer. From here we will find the chamfer. Select this circle, rotate and select this circle. Okay. Apply and done. Now go to fillet. Take here a fillet radius of 3. Go to edge selection. Select this edge and this edge. Rotate this and this. Now rotate again. Select here and select here. Now press OK. Now go back to home. So this will be the profile. Now here go to defaults and we will define the appearance. I've taken blue color here. So take blue, or otherwise you wish any other color you can take. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a basic CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.